In the last video, we looked at an overview of what Google Course Kit can offer as we use it in Canvas. In this video today, we're going to take a look at how to set up a Google Course Kit assignment from the Canvas page. Here I am at my Canvas assignment that we created with Course Kit last time. Just as a reminder, what we're going to be able to do is embed a Google Doc or a Google Slides, any Google file directly from Course Kit. We're also then able to have students turn in assignments through the Course Kit tool, which allows us to grade those assignments with all of the Google Docs commenting features. Allows us to use comments, allows us to use a comment bank, as well as all those other features that we really like to take advantage of with Google. So to get started today, I'm going to head over to my modules page. That's where I like to create all of my new assignments. And I'm just going to create one here. And I'm going to do assignment, I'm going to do a new assignment, and I'm going to start from scratch here. New What the Tech Course Kit. And I don't need to indent it in this case. I'm going to go ahead and add that item. We see it's added here right into my Unit 2 so that my students can see where it fits in the learning. I'm going to go ahead and click on this and begin editing. Of course, right now it's just a shell. As I come up to edit, the first thing that we're able to do is provide any instructions. This would be the same as what you've typically done. You could also choose here to do a force copy link. And we can go ahead and highlight that text, add a link. This is where you would paste in that force copy link if you had one. This would allow students to automatically make a copy of a template that you might have or another doc. Now, if there's resources that you need to share with students and you just want to do view only, we can simply use the Course Kit embed tool, which is up here. It's the one that actually has the icon on it. You'll go ahead and click that. If you haven't done it before, you may need to sign in again. Go ahead and do this process. And once you've signed in, you'll be able to search your drive. I'm just going to go ahead and grab, here's a Google Slides presentation. It's the one I used for the intro in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up and add. That's going to automatically embed that slides presentation right into my page, which is a very simple process. The other nice thing about this is it's automatically going to manage the sharing. For example, this particular presentation that I chose to embed was not shared with anyone. It was only my own. When I embed it here, it automatically adjusts the sharing through Google Course Kit so that it's view only, or that anyone with the link can view. That means that my students are going to be able to view this and I don't need to make any changes. As I move down to the assignment info, you can change the point value, 100, 10, whatever you're looking to do. You can also change it into the assignment group that you like, especially if you're using Grade Passback with Aspire. And then this is where we actually set up the Course Kit tool. And so under Submission, we go and choose External Tool. And then in this list, you will find there is a Course Kit assignment right here. We're going to go ahead and select that, and then we can continue moving on just like we would set up as normal. For example, we could choose who to assign it to. We can also set a due date if necessary. I want to set it for, say, end of next week. And then you can go ahead and save or save and publish, depending on what your needs are. And this gives us an idea of what we've done here. So here is the slides presentation right up at the top. Now again, this is a very simple slides presentation, but students would be able to flip through the slides if they needed. And remember, it's automatically managed the sharing for me so that all of my students can view the slides presentation. Down at the bottom, you'll see your Course Kit assignment has been set up. Now, I know there haven't been any student submissions yet. We'll talk about that in our next video. But you'll notice the information I've set up is here. Here's the point value I set. If you wanted, you could open the assignment in its own tab. Again, this is where you would see all of those student submissions that you had. This is a great way to integrate the Google tools into your Canvas environment. We will, in our next video, talk about what to do after a student submits their assignments through the Google Course Kit tool. And we'll take a look at how to grade an assignment and the tools that are available to us there.